So, I just shot nearly 5 hours worth of footage in my workshop, playing with the Triton, and another product testing video, and put my new injectors in, polished headlights, doing glow plugs now, got halfway through the glow plug part, and up it comes SD error. And there's nothing on the card. 19 video clips, hours and hours and hours of work. I've decided to stop using my phone and start using the GoPro so that it's like better quality and 60 FPS and all that. Before I do anything else, is any of that recoverable? Let me know, legends.